Are you one of those people who still miss the sheer durability and reliability of old-school Nokia phones? If your answer is yes, then buckle up, because Nokia is roaring back, and this time, it's nothing short of a monster. Yes friends, the name is the Nokia Play 3 Max 5G. And this isn't just another 5G phone, this is a game changer. A 200 megapixel camera and an 8900 mAh battery. No kidding. In today's video, we're going to completely unfold the blueprint of this stunning smartphone, covering its leaked features, price, and launch date. Let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia Play 3 Max 5G. The display. First up, let's talk about the display, where all your gaming and movie watching pleasure is about to be doubled. It packs a massive 6.8-inch big QHD plus AMOLED display. AMOLED means a world of vibrant colors. But the real magic is in the speed. A jaw-dropping 144Hz ultra-smooth refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling or engaging in high-graphics gaming, everything will run like butter. And for the pro gamers out there, a 390Hz touch sampling rate will make every touch super fast. In safety, don't even sweat it, it's armored with the impenetrable shield of Gorilla Glass 7. Plus, the in-display fingerprint sensor will unlock the phone in the blink of an eye. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature that has left everyone absolutely speechless, the camera. Nokia has armed this phone with an unprecedented 5-camera setup, and the king of the castle is a mind-blowing 200 megapixel primary sensor. Seriously, you can finally kiss your DSLR goodbye. Backing up this behemoth, you also get 4 other incredible sensors, 50 megapixels, 24 megapixels, 12 megapixels, and a 10 megapixel lens. This isn't just a camera, it's an entire photo studio in your pocket. But wait, selfie lovers, we haven't forgotten about you. The front-facing camera rocks an epic 64 megapixels. Processor and performance. To run such incredible features, you need equally powerful performance, right? You're getting the latest and most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. With this chipset, whether you're doing professional gaming, 4K video editing, or running dozens of apps simultaneously, this phone will never slow down. This is the true multitasking king. And the operating system is the freshest one out there, Android 16. Battery backup. And now for the phone's biggest specialty, the one Nokia has always been known for, the battery. It comes with a colossal 8900 mAh battery. Charge it once, and forget your worries for days. But how do you charge such a huge battery? You get a 120-watt super-fast charger, and a USB Type-C port. The company claims your monster phone will be fully charged in just 25 minutes. What a speed, boss. Price and launch date. So now for the biggest question, how heavy will this fantastic phone be on your wallet? Look, no official price has been revealed by Nokia yet, but considering these cutting-edge features, experts believe the price is expected to hover around $899. In the launch date, reports suggest this super phone could hit the market early next year. So, what are your thoughts on this monstrous comeback by Nokia? Let us know in the comments below.